Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you the process of how to download WhatsApp on an Android device. So without wasting your time, let's get started. As you can see, this is my mobile screen. Now to download any application on your mobile phone, you will need the Play Store application. Open the Play Store application and here you can see there is a search bar on the top. Click on the search bar and type WhatsApp. You can see the results while searching as well. Now after searching, you will see the official WhatsApp Messenger application on the Play Store. Click on this application and here you can see there will be an option to install. But as I already own the WhatsApp, I'm currently seeing open and uninstall options. For you guys, there could be an option like install. You simply need to click on that particular option and your installation or downloading process will be started in no time. And once it does, we are pretty much good to go. And that's it, you can easily download WhatsApp application on your mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.